Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Trevor's Train Station. This is episode 1, the very first episode. This episode is called All Aboard, The Birth of the Railroad, hosted by me, Trevor Shelley. Imagine a world before cars, before airplanes, before highways. Travel was slow, dangerous, and unpredictable. Then everything changed. Dirt roads, horse-drawn wagons, river boats, months on long travel, moving goods was slow and expensive. In Europe, mines, wooden tracks, small carts, coal transportation, early idea of guided movement. Steam engines existed in the 1700s. Originally used to pump water from mines, but someone had a bigger idea. But early work became locomotives. Believed steam could move people, help launch the railway revolution. Stockton-Darlington Railway. First public steam-powered railway. People rode a train for the first time. People feared high speeds. Doctors warned 30 miles was dangerous, but excitement outweighed fear. In the 1827, railroads come to America. Baltimore and Ohio Railroad founded. First American locomotives built. Expansions west began. Rapid expansion. Thousands of miles of track. Cities built around stations. Railroads sharpened America. Time zones created. Railroads required schedules. Standardized times introduced. Modern time zones born from rail travel. The Transcontinental Railroad. Signed in the 1862, Union Pacific, Central Pacific, Gulf connect east and west. The workers, Irish immigrants, the Chinese laborers, dangerous mountain conditions. Thousands risked their lives. 1869, the gold spike. Poverty Summit, Utah. First bike-driven. America connected coast to coast. Impact on society. Faster travel. National market. Mail delivery improved. Economic growth exploded. Luxury travel era. Sleeper cars. Dining cars. Rail travel became elegant. The shift to diesel. In the mid-1900s, diesel electricians replaced steam, more efficient and cleaner. The legacy. Steam engines preserved rail fans today. Railroads still move the world. From the wooden rails and mines to the steel tracks across nations. The railroads change history forever. All aboard the next stop, history. So, guys, I know this is a little short episode, but we will see you guys next week. We will be doing these every Monday. They'll be out at like 4:30. So if you have kids that love history, they love trains. Who doesn't love trains? I am 25 and I love trains. Okay. So we will see you guys next time, and make sure you guys enjoy it. We will see you guys in the next episode talking about the history.